Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, we back with another video. We got the infamous Pentastar tick we're gonna go ahead and take a look at today. Sound like it's coming from the left side, driver's side. We're gonna get in there and see what we can find. We're gonna go ahead and take this air box off here, this cover. Remove this, which is I'm gonna use a flathead to get that. Same back there, and see what we can find.